Hi, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and today I want to talk to you about accessing your friends' recipes and saved menus. So, in Plan to Eat, you can become friends with other Plan to Eat customers, and then you're able to share any of your public recipes as well as public saved menus. You can use your friends' recipes just like your own, and you can save them to your own recipe book so that you're able to see them easily and access them without always going to the friends section. So, let's show you how it works. I'm going to start here on the phone, and then I'll show you really quickly on the website as well. So here on the mobile app, when you're in the recipe book, you are just going to tap on this My Recipes header, and it's going to take you to this menu where you will select Friends. Now, every account starts as friends with the Plan to Eat blog, so if you don't automatically already have any friends, you can just simply search the Plan to Eat blog recipes as well. But I'm going to go in here and I'm going to look at Riley's recipes. And once I go in here, I can see all of Riley's courses and recipes that she has in here. And everything comes up. If I like the look of a recipe, I can open it and I can review everything. So it looks exactly how the recipes look in your own account. Now, if I want to save this recipe to my account, I just use the three-dot menu and use this first little toggle here to save to my recipes. You can also do that from this recipe list here, again with the three-dot menu. It's going to take you to this same menu where you can say save to my recipes. Now I'm just going to tap on the cook tab again, which will take me back to my own recipe book. And now you can see that those two saved recipes are right here at the top of my main course, which was where they were also saved in Riley's account. So that's how you access your friends' recipes as well as save them to your account. If you want to access your friends' saved menus, you can do that from the Plan tab. You're going to tap on the three-dot menu in the upper right to access your planner settings, which includes menus. You can tap on that, and you'll see down here below your saved menus, you have friends menus as well as PT menus. You can tap on the friends menus and again, select a different friend. I'm going to select Shelby this time. And now you can see that she has all of these saved menus here. I can just tap on any of them to preview the menu and see what's in here. And then I can use the plan menu option here at the bottom to add this to the days on my planner. Now, the day that you are selecting this for is the day you want the menu to start. So I want it to start maybe on Monday, and I'll add it to my planner. And now it's going to show me that it added those recipes to my planner from that menu. All right, let's switch over to the website really quick and I'll give you the same rundown over there. All right, so here we are on the website version of the program. If I scroll down to my main course, you can see these two saved recipes that I had here from Riley's recipe book. Now you're gonna find the friends section over here in this upper left menu. You'll see friends right here. And you have the option right here to view all of your friends' recipes. So if you have 5 friends or 25 friends, this is a culmination of all of their recipe books all in one place when you're looking at it just like this. If you want to select a friend, you can come over here to this drop-down menu and you can select one of your friends and then see their specific recipes. And then once again, you can open up these recipes, view them, plan them if you would like. And then you are going to use the little heart icon here to save these recipes to your account. Now, something that I didn't mention before that I should mention right here is when you are viewing a friend's recipe for the very first time, it will ask you to go to the original website to view the directions. So if I do that, I go here to this Epicurious site, and then I come back to Plan to Eat. It essentially unlocks the recipe directions for you, and you won't have to go back to the original recipe ever again to view this recipe. We do this for the original recipe author to give them a little credit for the hard work that they put into creating these recipes. Okay, so now I've saved this recipe from my friend's account, and when I go back into my recipes, again, we'll see it here in my recipe book. If I ever want to unsave a recipe from a friend because I decided that I don't want to have it in my recipe book anymore, you can just simply tap on this heart icon again, and it's going to make sure that you want to remove the saved recipe. Now we are going to once again find menus in the planner, and menus is over here in the upper right. You have your menus bar, toolbar. And friend menus is listed right here. So I can come in here and see all of my friends' menus just like I did on the app. And once again, you can preview a menu to see the kinds of things that are in it. And then if you want to plan this menu on your planner, all you need to do is drag and drop it onto the days where you want those recipes. If you have any questions about this, please email us at help@planteat.com. There will also be a few help articles linked in the description of this video if you need further instructions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.